Welcome to the world of film photography. In this podcast, we'll delve into the captivating realm of film emulation presets, exploring the art of recreating the timeless look of classic film stocks in your digital photographs. From the iconic Portra 400 to the vintage Kodak Gold 200 and the vibrant Fujicolor 100, these presets offer a remarkable way to infuse your images with the nostalgic charm of analog film. Let's start with the featured Lightroom preset, Portra 400 Film Emulation. This preset meticulously replicates the renowned Portra 400 film, renowned for its beautiful skin tones and fine grain. By applying this preset, you can effortlessly infuse your digital photos with the rich, warm colors and soft contrast characteristic of this beloved film stock. Next, we have the Understanding Kodak Gold 200 Film podcast. This insightful guide takes you on a journey through the characteristics of Kodak Gold 200 film, providing valuable knowledge on how to achieve its distinct look in your digital images. Then, there's the Fujicolor 100 Film Emulation preset. This preset beautifully mimics the characteristics of Fujicolor 100 film, known for its natural skin tones and vibrant yet balanced colors. Applying this preset to your photos will instantly transport them to the realm of classic film photography. Additionally, the Fuji Fortia 50 Film Emulation preset is a must-try for enthusiasts of slide film. This preset emulates the unique color palette and contrast of Fuji Fortia 50, offering a fantastic way to infuse your images with the look of this rare and cherished film stock. Lastly, the Moody Grade-Free Lightroom preset offers a versatile option for adding drama and atmosphere to your images. With its deep, moody tones and subtle color shifts, this preset is perfect for creating captivating and evocative visuals. Whether you're a seasoned film photography enthusiast or a digital photographer looking to add a touch of analog charm to your work, these film emulation presets provide an exciting avenue for creative expression. Explore the links provided to discover more about these incredible presets and elevate your photography to new heights.